this right here is the rapper El Snappo. This right here is my nigga Jay. This right here is me. And this right here is me and Jay's birthday month. Now, if you mix all these ingredients plus fast cars, you get a day like this. This nigga be on black people timing.
Yeah, you said you was gonna be here 10 minutes ago. 10 minutes.
You lying.
Why you always lying?
So you know, you got lotion in your car?
I got wide.
Give my fucking camera, nigga. Oh, my son right now, you feel me? Me and my Will. Yo, hold my camera, boy. Oh, I don't got that.
Man. Oh. Just made the Naples, dude. We got some shit outside.
Ew.
This nigga outside. We go to Rango, feel me? We go Scott, you feel me? We go another one, you feel me? We got Big Bertha over there.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie. That last one, that's like a outro type of
You want.
just like that.
What the fuck? This apple juice, nigga?
Yeah.
Are you slow?
I'll tell you, up sideways,
Oh shit, hold on.
upright,
Okay,
upside,
okay.
upside down.
Upside down.
It's bamboo, it's rum. It's that smooth shit, man. If you ain't drinking this, you stinging your throat.
Oh, what's going on, my friend? How you doing? My friend. Hola, ¿cómo está? Hola, hola. Oh, I forgot you had an Infinity ring.
No,
Oh, Mustang.
I did have an
Infinity to Mustang, C3.
I don't be outside.
You're so late.
A bomber cloud shot.
Real I'd rather be ugly than look like you. Real bad man.
Put the camera.
I'd rather be ugly than look like yo.
I look
And
good.
E, don't edit it, bro. You see how dark this nigga is?
Yo! Yo, cuz. Put it on.
Take that beanie off and see how big it is, mud.
Oh.
Yo, what it do, B? Y'all see what's going on? Hey, we got my boys E3.
Yeah. 21, man.
This shit crazy, bro. Make shit happen.
Make shit happen, man.
That bitch loaded out, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all snap, bro. Troll by deep as fuck, too. Troll by deep as fuck, too, bro.
They waiting on the big beat.
Chicken, nigga.
Everybody, you ain't gotta go home, but you gotta get the fuck out, cause I can't play no more music.
On some Madden, you feel me? Down for a deep pass. He's in there.
Gonna take it deep.
Butterball.
Walk away, come back.
Yeah. This nigga caught up, dog. Gotta give us out some jump. Stupid ass nigga.
Hey,
Follow his
hey, fuck you.
Nigga, fuck you.
Thank you, but fuck you.
Fuck you too.
Thank you. Is that bad? Is that bad?
Man, that was good.
My heart, come on.
My heart bumping. I said that 50 bands on my bucket.
I ain't got no money for no ticket, nigga. Oh yeah, it's time to ignore these niggas, cuz I'm not a fucking YouTuber and I ain't no damn streamer. I'm not fucking E3. Bitch, I got $20 and 1 penny in my fucking account. And this nigga just snorting at my fucking pain.
This nigga tripping, cuz.
Fuck ass nigga talking about, we pulling. Bitch, I don't even know how to fucking pull. Bitch ass nigga.
Still crashing out.
Hoe ass nigga. I'll slap fire that fuck nigga. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck ass Jamaican bitch. That's why us Haitians better than you. Bitch ass nigga. Hoe ass nigga. Fuck ass nigga. With that boot ass Mercedes bitch. I got a fucking truck that you can't even beat my shit, bitch. Like, go. When I crash out, that's when nigga wanna, oh, why you crashing out for? Bitch ass nigga, the fuck on my dick, ho. Pussy ass nigga, you can't beat me, bitch.
Man, like I was saying, we in Naples, cuz we almost at the venue, you feel me?
And we got niggas making me crash out in the middle of the fucking road like, bitch, l'homme merde pour fou coca, pour go shit, l'homme merde, casse caca de poche jaloux.
I'm putting the music back on, man. These nigga bullshitting. That bitch scraping. Y'all hear that bitch? I gotta fix that bitch.
Like 3 cars. This is my nigga right here, cuz. What the fuck? What the fuck?
You going off on the media internet, man, shit and all, bro.
God, niggas couldn't drive. Don't be mad cause I'm beating you.
What?
Don't be mad cause I beat you in the race.
We can do it, nigga. I got gas, nigga.
I don't got gas, nigga. I'm on E right now. Damn near.
Yeah, nigga.